Okay.
Example 1 now. Y is partly constant and partly varies as x. When x equals 12, when y equals 12, x equals 3. And when y equals 18, x equals 16. Find number 1, the law of variation. Number 2, the value of y when x equals 4. You know, question number 1 says, the Roman figure 1 says the law of variation. The law of variation is also the formula connecting the variation, and it's also the relationship between. That means they can ask you using those 3 sentences. They can say the law of variation. They can say find the formula connecting. They can say find the relationship between the quantities given in the question. Now, solution. First of all, change the expression into a mathematical form. He said y is partly constant and partly varies as x. That is, y equals k. That is partly constant and partly varies plus c, another constant of variation, as x. Where k and c are constant of variation. They are constant of variation. Now, let's try and solve this now. Now, when y equals 12, x equals 3. Substituting, we have when y, that is 12, equals to k plus 3x. That is k plus 3 k plus 3 3c equals to 12. This is equation 1. Remember, I told you that we are going to get 2, because we have 2 unknowns there. We have the unknown k and c. You must have 2 equations which you must solve simultaneously. So, therefore, the second one, when y equals 18 and x equals 16. Now, substitute in again. Substitute now. Substitute. We have substitute. That is 18 equals to k plus 16c, which implies that equation 2 is k plus 16c equals 18. That is equation 2. Now, solving equation 1 and 2 simultaneously now to get the unknowns, the 2 unknowns. You know, we have equation 1. This is our equation 1. We have equation 2. This is our equation 2. Now, let's subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Then you have equation 1 to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. That is k plus 16c equals 18. Then k plus 3c equals 12. Now subtracting now, this will cancel. Then you have Now we have that is the 15. No, that is the 13. C equals to 6. Now this is going to give us what is C. C now equals 6 over 13. And substituting for C equals 6 over 13 in equation 1. Substitute for I think this one is 6. This one is 6. X is equal to 6. Then we have 6. Then this one will give us 6. Then this one will give, that is 3. 3C. So which implies 2. So substituting for C equals to in equation 1. Now where is our equation 1? This is our equation 1. That is K plus 3 times 2 equals 12. This is going to give us K plus 6 equals 12. And K now, making K the subject of the formula, you have K equals 12 minus 6. K now equals 6. Now, getting the law, now we have K equals 6. Now, going to the equation now, which says that Y equals substituting for K and C. You have 6 plus 3x. Therefore, the law of variation, which we are asked to find, the law of variation, therefore the law of variation is Y equals to 6 plus 3x. Now the next question says, Roman figure 2 says, the value of Y when x equals 4. We have to find the second one now. Roman figure 2, the value of Y when x equals 4. We need to substitute, write the law down, which says Y equals 6 plus 3x. Now substitute for x equals 4. Therefore, Y now equals to 6 plus 3 times 2 times 4. Times 4. Therefore, Y now equals 6 plus 12. Y equals 18. So, which is the answer to question number 1. Now let's take example 2. Example 2 now. The variables P very sparsely. as the variable p varies partly directly as x and partly inversely as the square of x. When p equals 24, x equals 5, and p equals 7, and p equals 7, x equals 4. Find the equation connecting the quantities p. Find p when x equals 10. Now we have that question as our example 2 that says that the variable p varies partly directly as x and partly inversely as the square of x. When p equals 24, x equals 5, and when p equals 7, x equals 4, find the equation connecting the quantities and p when x equals 10. First of all, change this statement. Write this as in a mathematical form. That is,